Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're going to be unboxing the biggest, most expensive. This is a 5 Alienware R12s RTX 38 graphics cards. I got 5 Alienware monitors there. I've got the headsets, the keyboards, and the mice. We're actually gonna be maybe giving these guys away.
I have replicated Plug Me In to Go. I have come to your planet in the hope that you will plug me in and use me.
That's right, there's gonna be an opportunity to give some stuff away.
What? You are going to be giving me away.
The computers away. That's right, if we get to 100,000 subs, we're giving away the headsets, the keyboards, and the mice. We'll show you exactly what they look like. 200,000 subs, we're giving away the monitor. 300,000 another monitor, 400,000 another monitor, 400,000 another monitor, 600,000 another monitor, 700,000 Alienware R12 given away, 800,000 Alienware R12 given away, 900,000 Alienware, another one given away, and at 1 million subs,
yes,
we're giving away 2 Alienwares. That's if we get that by the end of the year. So it's going to require community
subscribe.
And to be eligible, I guess you need to comment on any comments on this channel or any of the other channels. You just click on the channel section, and if you subscribe to any of our other channels or leave comments from today, even on Odyssey, if you leave comments from today, you'll be eligible. So if we do reach that 100 plus subs level by the end of the year, stuff is going to be given away. The only criteria is it needs to be legal for me to send you one of these computers. So if Dell can deliver a computer to your country, then that's what we're going to do. Is that okay with you?
Sounds awesome.
We're doing it.
Let's do it. You guys just sub up. Get your friends to subscribe. Get your mum to subscribe. Get your dad to subscribe. Make sure you sub up to all of our channels because you'll be in a better chance of winning.
This away. If they don't sub, we get to keep them. We have run some competitions before. So on our live, we gave away some cool stuff. So someone probably, maybe in the comments, they'll say that they won stuff. So we're legit. I did try giving away a Mac Pro last year. Except we didn't get any subs from that. No one was interested in the Mac Pro. Let's see if anyone's interested in gaming stuff. It's gonna be fun. Basically what happened was, I got one of these Alienware R12s a couple months ago. Check out the review video. Amazing stuff. And I liked it. It was nice, it was fast, a little bit noisy, but if you keep it far away, kind of like a gaming system, it was hella good. But we had a problem. We only had one gaming computer. And you like to game too. My girl likes to play games. We want to do some clan membership over here in the household. We want to do some gaming together. So I went on their website and they had a crazy deal. There was like, you get the RTX 3080, you get the gaming headsets, the keyboards and the mice, and the monitor for about the same price that I paid for my last computer. So I was a bit miffed about that, but I was like, whoa. And then when I went to get it on checkout, they had like an offer. They said, with the coupon code BULK, you get like 5 or 10% off on top. And the requirement of that is that you needed to order 5 computers. So I was like, should I?
Yes.
Should I?
Yes.
Should I?
Yes.
And she was saying
yes.
Yes. Just do
Why
it.
not?
Just do
Just
it.
do
Lol.
it. It's
Lol.
fun.
Just do it. Just do
fun.
it. Just go on. Do it.
Do it.
You can always cancel it, and they have a returns policy. Just do it.
Just do it. 2 months later, we are here.
It took 2 months for it to arrive. The guy, oh man, that lifting. Yeah, it's a lot of gear here. Again, hopefully, going to be giving all this stuff away by the end of the year. Let's see what happens there. I want to show you some stuff actually. So, this headset, look at that, 7.1 surround sound, 510H.
Wow.
I usually only have
Maybe
two surrounds. Yeah.
Okay,
we're giving away
guys.
4 headphones. Yeah, we're giving away 4 of these systems. She's got one. Check out. What's interesting about the headsets is that the headsets come in a box, but they could only fit 4 into this box, so they sent that one separate on its own. You get a gaming mouse. This is like, probably has high DPI. One interesting thing I noticed, I ordered the white computer, and it comes with the white headset, comes with the white keyboard, but it comes with a black mouse.
What?
Color coordination.
What?
I'm gonna have to just expand my mind a little bit. That's why I'm giving this one away. All 5 of these. Keyboards, let me go, maybe you demonstrate the keyboards over on the left.
Wowzers. All right, guys, what have we got here? We have got some stunning keyboards. Ooh, whoa. Feels like Christmas. Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, it lights
sure
up, RGB.
These actually, like, they're the proper RGB ones, right? They're like gaming keyboards. That is pretty cool.
I'm gonna take back what I said. We're keeping one of these because we ordered 5. One of us is going to us. We're
Yeah,
giving away
me.
4 of the rest.
Yes, mine.
So 100k, we're giving away 4 keyboards, 4 mice, and 4 headsets. 200k is a monitor. Yeah.
And so on and so forth.
4 computers. So at $1 million, everything's going to be given away apart from
Yes.
1 set for us. Because, come on, we're part of this community
We need
too.
this.
And if you are also a channel member, you get a free entry into the show.
Woo!
But of course, you can get an entry there by subscribing and commenting. And it's a game of skill. So whoever leaves a clever, most liked kind of comment that we also like as well,
Yeah.
we'll be hand selecting them out.
We're gonna do like
Influence.
a draw, a prize draw. We're gonna have all of the names that we like.
But it's
and we're
not
gonna put them
random.
in
It's basically whoever if your comment is upvoted a lot, we're gonna probably like it, and it needs to be clever.
Yes.
And you can
we'll put your
also
names in
be
a hat.
funny in whatever way you like, or you don't
Yes.
even have to be funny. You can be serious. Just no sob stories. This isn't the X Factor.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's not. We
We had that last time, didn't
Yeah.
we?
Yeah.
And it was like it really pulls on your heartstrings. It's like,
I
okay.
think a sob story won.
I think a sob story.
Yeah,
did
one
win.
of the
But that
sob
doesn't
stories.
mean we're going to do the same for next time.
We got it done already last time.
No,
we're doing it
we're
again.
not. We're going to be fair to everyone.
Yeah.
Everyone has got a sub story. We don't want to hear it. We just want to see what cool content and comments you guys can write on our page.
And this is pretty cool because if we don't get any subs out of this, we get to keep them.
What we can do with all
I
of
don't
these?
know what
Ash?
we're gonna do. We're gonna start up a clan.
Okay.
Maybe I'll open up
I
something.
need some more friends.
We'll do something with our lives. So let's unbox one of these schools.
Yes.
This computer, I hope the quality control is good. I did actually purchase these computers with accidental damage insurance. So Dell, what's cool about them, they should really sponsor this channel. Dell, sponsor this channel. I can promote your gear. Anyway, point
Yes.
is, I ordered it with accidental damage, which means if one of these computers has a bit of that corona, they should fix it. Or replace it, or something like that.
Oh,
Do you want to do the honors or shall I?
You go for it.
Oh!
Yes.
I forgot.
What?
Monitors. Let's show them
Oh my
monitor.
god, where's the monitor? Oh my god. Okay, it's just dusty. It's just dusty, right? Let me grab a monitor, Ash.
You got a monitor?
Oh, I got a monitor. I got a monitor.
Okay, so this is a gaming. Oi, oi, oi.
Whoa. 27 smackaroos.
27-inch, 240 hertz. Like I was impressed previously by 144 hertz monitor on this channel. This is 240 hertz.
pretty sick.
27 inches, and it looks sexy. Just look at this design. Look at that chic
That's
white
awesome.
package straight from the factory. Yeah, I don't know
I
how
don't know
many.
if you really want to give these away.
Yeah. Oh,
We could make a movie. We could just put everything on like shelves and stuff and make us look really intelligent like they do in all these
well,
movies.
technically, we still got a few more months.
Okay,
it's
cool.
only
So we can
July
shoot some
right now,
films.
so we are allowed to use the equipment.
Unless
End of the year, we'll
unless you get 100,000 subscribers
Then
like
we'll
tomorrow, then you have to start giving them away.
No, that's not gonna happen.
Well, internet, power of the internet. Can you make this happen?
No, it's not gonna happen because I'm not gonna publish this tomorrow. I'm gonna wait a week.
Okay, fine. So,
There you go.
so this was filmed in July.
I'll release it in December. Lol, genius. There you go.
Thank you very much, sir.
Doing a heavy lifting.
Oh,
Has
there we go.
all right. Don't smash it. The monitors.
There we go.
All right, so we unboxed one of these together today live. Since we've got to make this video 10 minutes, I think. So let's go here. Do you want to open up the side? Go
Okay,
on, let's see what we
Najat.
got.
Thank you so much. This is an honour to be on your show, Ash,
you. Oh.
and to be unboxing one of the very Alienwares that you're going to be giving away at the end of the
Well,
year.
your voice has changed.
Oh, I am Alienware.
It is honor to unbox the box.
I am honoured to come to your Earth.
How do we get this out?
I think you just have to.
Shall I just break the box?
No, we have to lift it somehow.
All right, I'll try.
Is there like a handle?
There's handles here. Oh,
I help you with your Alienware unboxing.
oh, it's like a gym workout. It's nice. I think I damaged that box,
You did.
which is good.
This might be the one that you keep.
I'm a bit of a hoarder when it comes to these boxes. I've still kept the outside external box of my other
He has.
Alienware computer.
Literally.
Yeah.
He has.
So it's good that one tore a bit. It's going to motivate me to throw some of them away. All right, next
Good
up.
luck. Good luck.
This is what you could be winning. Obviously, community effort, guys. If we don't get to those milestones, don't hate on me because this stuff costs a lot of money.
Oh.
All right. So what's cool about this system is that it also comes with a keyboard and mouse, just out of the box.
really?
Yes, look, you get this official. And this is a sexy, sexy mouse. I actually use this mouse on my MacBook Pro.
you?
So it's a good looking mouse and it's a good looking keyboard over here.
That is a nice mouse.
Yeah, you could probably, yeah, maybe I'll give it to you. And this is a nice all black keyboard. So with this kit, you get keyboard and mouse just on this Alienware logo. So when we give away the 100k sub keyboard and mice, don't worry, you still get a keyboard and mouse with a key system. Now, unfortunately, unless it's going to be too expensive for us to ship this system over to your country, and we'll just have to order a brand new system from Dell directly to your place, it comes with an Australian outlet plug. So you're going to have to get your own kettle plug to your own country. Or maybe we can chip in. Nah, you get one yourself, because I don't know what kind of, I don't want to be responsible for your electricity. Like, don't blame me. Oh, they sent me a computer and it did something. I'm suing you. I'm saying, mate.
It was free gift.
Yeah.
It was free gift for you.
Free gift for you. Okay, next up, going to be opening this. It's going to be
Ooh,
going.
it's like a pizza.
Oh,
I have not seen this before in my
I'm keeping
country.
that box. Oh, there it is.
Pizza.
The sexy beast. Oh yeah, I missed this computer.
Let's have a
This-
look.
This computer.
Ooh.
Ow, paper cut.
Ooh.
Yowzers, be careful around this system.
Oh my god.
Dell. You see, if you weren't my sponsor, I would have edited that portion out. I would have made that like you're the Bombay. But as you're not sponsoring this channel, I gotta say, be careful around the edges of the box. I got a paper cut there. Look, a fish shot me.
I can suck your blood. I am alien from Alien.
Maybe I can't show you it, but basically, look, a little cut there. I'll censor it out because, you know, YouTube. It'll be fully uncensored on Odyssey, probably. They're cool. So what's next? We've got to pull out the actual system.
Open up the box.
So it's got an M2 NVMe RGB lighting. And the box is coming out. Hopefully it won't fall. But if it does, we got accidental damage, so it's all good. All right. A full experience. Oi, 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 oi. Yes, we're out. Woo. What are you doing? It's gonna smash. Oh no! What are you doing?
Oh no! Oh no! Figure someone's gaming headset.
Alright, gaming headset doesn't work. It's because what you just saw. Well, that's your one. You get to keep that one.
That's my one.
Alright, this is the scene. This is the computer. Oh, it does open up, and some people have changed the thermal paste, and we hopefully haven't smashed it. And there you go. That's one. There's lots of plastic all around, like there. And I'm a bit tired now, so I'm gonna go take a break. I need to have some tea. We gotta do this 5 more times, 4 more times. We've gotta set up Windows. Oh my god. Oh, it's gonna be a while. So hopefully we get to that subscriber limit very, very soon, so I don't have to set up these computers all on my own. Hope you guys, are you excited about this giveaway? Remember to be eligible, subscribe on any one of our channels. This is the channel that we're gonna do the tally on. You can comment on any one of our channels, and any comments from today is eligible for this prize, and we'll be giving them away as soon as we hit any of those milestones. So at 100k, we're giving away headsets, keyboards, and mice. At 200k, we're giving away a monitor, 300 another monitor, 400 another monitor, 500 another monitor, 600 another monitor, 700 we're giving away, boom, one of these, 800, boom, another one of these, 900, boom, another one of these, and a million, another one of those, or however many we end up. Basically, that's the Master channel challenge. Is it going to be a community effort? It'll be so funny to see what happens. I'm pretty sure no one's going to subscribe, so we get to keep the gear. Or if they do, then, you know, you deserve it. Hope you guys found this video useful, and enjoyed the show.
Plug me in to go. Boop, 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 boop. System failure. You did not plug me in. I have replicated. Plug me in to go.